Oh my god. Oh my god. So cool. You did such a good job. Now we need to blow dry you. Now he's ready to meet the bunnies. And I hope that's gonna go well. Teddy, come, sit. Good boy. He's so chill. I still can't believe what a little chill boy we have. Hello everyone. I'm speechless. I have no idea what's happening. We're gonna get a puppy. We're gonna get a puppy. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Romina Rosmay. Because like this, I could imagine a lot of people who do not know my channel might still click on this video. So hi to everybody who's new, and to all of you guys. You know that I've been through a lot of things in the past year. I have just recovered from my 4th surgery. It was so tough on me, on my mental well-being, on my physical well-being. And to be honest, guys, it puts everything into perspective. Everything. Like, I know we always talk about bags here and like the nice things in life, and we go shopping, but all of these things mean nothing in the bigger picture, right? So I have really struggled over the past weeks, month. I lost my passion for bags a little bit. I think it's normal if you go through a lot of like chronic pain, a lot of surgeries, like uncertainty. I lost my passion, and I hope that I'm slowly gonna get it back, but bear with me. I'm gonna try and keep on schedule with all my videos again, like Wednesdays, Fridays, but just in case, I have to be honest, guys, I'm struggling with health anxiety quite a bit after everything that has happened. Anybody who's also struggled, oh, now the sun is disappearing. I'm only filming with natural light, guys, I'm sorry. And I know I still need to give you a full house tour, which I will do, because almost everything is done now, and I'm super happy with how everything has turned out. Here you can get a sneak peek of my little knickknacks. I do struggle with health anxiety. If anybody has any advice, not only for me, but I think lots of people nowadays struggle with health anxiety, it can throw you into such a deep, dark hole. Please, you know, if you have similar experiences, if you found a way out, if you found something that helps you, share it with us, because I still have a lot of dark days. And I can only hope that, you know, this whole nightmare is over at some point. I will definitely give you like a full house tour very soon. And just to show you real life, guys. I need to tidy up. I still need to tidy up. Hi Kitty, isn't she beautiful? I just want to give you a quick rundown of how we came to the conclusion to pick up the dog we're going to pick up today. Just the idea of getting a dog has entirely changed my life over the last month. It has helped me so much get through my recovery and give me something else to focus on, and, you know, something nicer, something positive. I wanted a really small dog, preferably like a Chihuahua or a Pom, because in London especially, you're allowed into shops with a dog if you can carry the dog on your arm, or you can have the dog in your bag. So, you know, I need to be able to lift up the dog and carry him for a while when I go film with you, for example. Initially, I looked into Chihuahuas, and the very first one I fell in love with was this little guy. I couldn't believe how competitive the whole dog community is, because like you can see animals, pets coming online and they're gone in like less than 24 hours. So in my head, I was like romantically thinking, oh, let me just look for dogs, and then we go and visit the breeders and see if we have like a vibe with a dog, and then we pick one up if we ever fall in love with one. That's not possible, guys. Like, the animals basically come online and they are sold in less than 24 hours. The second dog stole my heart like none other. I loved him so much. I think he's fugly, fabulously ugly. I'm gonna tell you in a moment what my husband said. Again, he was gone in like a heartbeat. And what did you say about dog number 2?
Looks like a dumpster dog.
What did you say?
You look like you fished him out of a dumpster.
But I loved him so much. I don't know what it was. I think I just love fugly things. The third dog was this little guy, and super cute, super fluffy, and we actually had a phone call with the owners, and you know, they've shown us mom and dad of the dog as well. But again, it was like just way too soon that the dog was gone. Then I actually looked into Pom breeders, and there's actually quite a lot of Pom breeders in London, so it's easier to get to. You can actually go look at the dogs, and we did. Hi! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi, babies! Oh,
But now
my
is
god!
with
Oh my god, they're so fluffy.
You still want the Chihuahua?
Hi! Oh, she's pretty. She's so pretty. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Is that gonna be your name? Are we gonna come and pick you up? We're gonna come and pick you up on Saturday? Schnugger, isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful? Hi, baby. Hi. You're too heavy. This one is light. This one is super light. By the way, do you want to show them what I just got for the garden? I loved
In
it.
good taste.
Please vote. Do you think this is cool or not? We then went to see, yeah, the first Poms. And I think we were both so overwhelmed because it was the first time we saw them in reality. They were all jumping on us, and I don't know. It really, like, we fell in love with Poms that day, right?
Yeah, when there was 5 of them all, you know, puppy eyes at you, then yeah, it's difficult to resist.
Yeah, but then we thought, okay, we still need to see more dogs though, because like you can't make a decision on the spot, right? Hi! Hi! Hi, baby!
you want come over so you can think about
Yeah.
it if you want.
Hi,
You
Teddy.
can come or you can call me.
Hi! Hi!
Just
It's Teddy. Hi, baby! You're so calm.
yes, he is.
So calm, little. Aww. After seeing Pom number 2, Teddy,
Yeah.
we, I don't know, we of
We
course
almost walked away.
we almost walked away. I loved him. I loved him from the very first moment we saw him. He was so calm.
Yeah.
I think that's why it's so important, guys, to not just buy an animal, a pet, a dog, a cat, whatever, online. You have to go and actually get a feeling for them, right?
Yeah.
And it was such a day-night difference between the first Poms and then Teddy. He was so calm, and he didn't bark at all. He was just, right?
He was just very playful.
Yeah, like a little teddy bear. Like when I held him, he was just the cutest. And we still needed a couple days to think about everything afterwards.
Yeah, you got to make sure you're in the right frame of mind to buy a pet.
Yeah.
Because 10 years commit.
Yeah. But what are we gonna do now?
You're going to pick up Teddy.
Yeah, and I had a tough year, right?
Very tough.
Very tough, and I'm always saying it like, thank you so much for everything. It's been so tough, and I think the whole idea with the dog, it just helped me switch my perspective,
Yeah.
right? And focus on something else. I hope that Teddy is gonna
Last bit of medicine.
last bit of medicine. Also, guys, just very briefly, let me show you my dress, because I love this dress. I know the light is not the best right now, but I think you can get an idea. I don't know why. I love this dress so much. It's so cool. Especially for hot days like today. I don't know if I should wear this though to pick up the dog. Might be a bit dangerous because he's still a puppy. Don't want to get this dirty yet. He knows the sound already. Oh, Teddy.
This is fitting.
Yeah. I got this for him.
Thank you very
Hi,
much.
Teddy. Come. Okay, Teddy. He's wearing his little harness. We got Teddy. And he's so calm, right? It's unbelievable. He's so calm. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, Daddy. You're so beautiful, you know that?
Hollywood hair. proper teddy bear.
He's a proper teddy bear. Our little teddy. Oh, hi baby. Oh. And we're on our way home. He's so calm, I can't believe it. He's such a teddy bear. Oh, hi baby. Do you want to say hi? Teddy. Hi Teddy. You want more snacks? Only one more back. Only one more home. How are you not giving him attention when he's so cute? I know.
Attention, no
I know.
attention. Don't fall for the puppy wine.
We just brought Teddy home and he's just exploring the garden. Teddy, hi! And Teddy's first bath. Oh Teddy, you're so tiny. Right, Sugar? He's so tiny underneath all the fluff. You're such a good, calm boy, you know that? Oh,
No, he's trying to wind.
you're such a good boy. Oh, Teddy, you did such a good job. You did such a good job. Now we need to blow dry you. Look how tiny he is. Good. Good boy. Our fluff boy is coming back. Yeah. Good boy. You're such a beauty, you know that. Okay, it was a long day. We just gave Teddy a bath and now he's ready to meet the bunnies and I hope that's gonna go well. He's gonna need to get used to them over time. Oh, look at this little ice bear. This is the bunnies' room. You're gonna need to get used to them. Teddy! Teddy! Yeah! You're so cute.
Yeah, you're gonna be a social media star.
Yes, you're gonna be a social media star.
You're gonna pay for your own food unlike some.
Yeah, come. I know, baby, it's gonna take some time for you to get used to Teddy, but I'm sure you can do it, okay? Boop, 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 boop. Boop.
You have to be tight as cute. We got competition.
Crumble, don't push it. Don't push it down, okay? You little floppy ear. Teddy. 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 Come. Sit. Good boy. Day one. Good boy, baby. Good boy. We have a happy fluff. Hi, Teddy. We're going to the vet now. You still need your second vaccine. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute, Teddy? And we got a new bag for Teddy. That's good, right?
That's amazing, Sugar. It's really nice.
You like your Teddy? Yeah, Teddy. Yeah, that's you. Look, his little paws there. Yeah, Teddy. You like this bag more? He's so chill. I still can't believe what a little chill boy we have. Okay guys, I love TK Maxx. I love that they have a pet section as well. I really wanted to get this thing in like a tiny version. I've seen it a couple of days ago. Basically this in like a tiny version. It's sold. It's sold. This is such a nice, I don't know, it just looks so awesome. They only got massive ones left. And yep, we're gonna need some poo bags. I mean, look at this. Animal, well, pet toy heaven. Oh god, look at this. Oh, this is awesome. This is what I got so far. Some poo bags, some chew toy. They have lamb chop. Look at, they have lamb chop. You know, from the nanny?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have lamb chop. We have to get him a lamb chop. It's actually doing this. And look at this. And this is the dog bed. TK Maxx, guys, is my heaven. Especially their home section. I could get lost in here and buy everything. Like in Germany we say Krimskrams. To like little knickknacks you don't really need. And we love TK Maxx, huh, Schnuggle?
Yeah.
We love TK Maxx. Oh, look at this, guys. I always wanted one of these. It feels so nice. You can literally just leave me here for hours and hours and hours. This is what I mean with Krimskrams. Like, I bought so much of our home stuff here. I'm such a sucker for Krimskrams. Look at this. Audrey Hepburn plate. Yeah, guys, so we're here with Teddy, trying to get him used to life.
Socializing. Yeah.
Socializing him. And I got a matcha, you got a coffee. See, guys, I'm trying. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. with Teddy. Do you want to say bye? We have a very exciting unboxing on Friday, so stay tuned for that, and I promise you that Teddy will show up in all my videos now. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, and now Pom obsessed family. We hope he's not gonna have a Pom attitude, right?
No, definitely not.
Yeah, and yeah guys, I don't know, I see you soon, love you, bye, bye Teddy.